Hey guys, it's Ari from Lit, where arguments meet algorithms. And today, we're going to talk about how to remove metadata from a Word doc on Windows. First of all, what is metadata? Metadata is the information about the Word document that is attached to a document that is not easily seen. You can see your metadata by clicking File in the top menu bar, then clicking Info in the left menu bar. To remove metadata from a Word doc on Windows, first click File in the top menu bar. Next, click Info in the left menu bar. Then, click the button Check for Issues next to the Inspect Document text. In the drop-down menu, click Inspect Document. Next, click Inspect at the bottom of the document inspector. Finally, click the Remove All button next to the Document Properties and Personal Information section. And that's it. If you're paranoid and want to confirm that it's gone for good, just follow the earlier steps to see if the metadata is gone. I'm Ari, and it's been Lit. Thanks for watching.